Course title, Irrigation and Water Management in Crop Production. Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Dennis Karayuki, and I will be your course preceptor for the course Irrigation and Water Management in Crop Production. Water is the lifeblood of agriculture. More than 70% of all freshwater withdrawals worldwide are used for agricultural purposes, primarily for irrigation. Yet, global agriculture faces a paradox. In some regions, crops fail due to water scarcity and drought stress. In others, agricultural productivity declines due to waterlogging, salinity, and mismanaged irrigation systems. Climate change, with its shifting rainfall patterns and erratic weather, further complicates the relationship between crops and water availability. This course is designed to bridge the science and art of water use in agriculture. It explores how crops interact with water, how soils retain and transmit water, how farmers can deliver the right amount of water at the right time, and how irrigation can be made sustainable, efficient, and climate resilient. Why this course is different. Unlike many narrow agricultural courses, this one is broad, interdisciplinary, and futuristic. It combines traditional wisdom, e.g., qanat systems in Persia, basin irrigation in Egypt, terrace farming in Asia, with modern technologies, IoT, AI, GIS, drones. It is not just about delivering water. It is about creating a water-smart agriculture system for the 21st century. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.